Hey, gentlemen.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hello.
All right. Anything we need to do before we just get going on the docket here?
No, I don't think so. We're going to be looking for some new dates. Mr. Rhodes and I have been on a relatively lengthy call discussing these cases, and
Okay.
I think we should be able to move through quickly here. If I guess coordinating. I think in the past we've all decided that 4 p.m. on Wednesdays are good days. Is that still consistent, guys?
Depending on the Wednesday, but yes.
Yeah, it's good. I think it's perfect for me. So as long as it works. So it seems like it's been the Wednesday after docket day, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if there's been any pattern here, but
Does Wednesday, December 15th work for everybody?
Yep.
Yes.
let me see. Yeah, I'm available.
Kay, does that work for you? I don't know if she heard me there.
Yes, that's a good time for me.
Okay, great.
So that's Wednesday the 15th.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Kay, is there anyone in court? Is there anyone in the courtroom?
Just me so far.
Okay. I see Melissa on the line here. Is she the only one online?
No, there's others.
Okay.
Want me to bring them in?
Well, no, however you want to do it. I just, Melissa's here first. We can take hers first if that works for the court. Your Honor, City versus Van Ogle.
All right, and so that's an agreed continuance to December 15th at 4 p.m.
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so obviously, Ms. Van Elge, you heard our discussion there, so
Yeah.
not much more to say. We'll it'll be the same format that we're doing today. So
Okay.
Melissa,
Thank
best
you.
wishes to your mom. Is she doing good?
She is out of the hospital, but she has heart failure.
Best wishes and give her my love.
Thank you.
all right, so we'll go to the top then. Merle Boley.
Thank
And
you.
Melissa, you can hang up.
Okay.
Oh yeah, thank you. I'm sorry, Ms. Van Elge. I did my
Thank you.
position there, and you without telling you.
It's like Merle's connecting, Your Honor. Side note, while that we're waiting for that to connect, Your Honor, you remember Andy Dana, don't you, at Strip Matters office? He was a longtime paralegal there.
Yeah, I don't. It's been a long time.
Great guy. That Melissa is his daughter, which is why I was asking about.
Okay, yeah.
You'd remember Andy if you saw him. Real good
Yeah,
guy.
it's been a long time, but yeah, I do remember him. Yeah.
Your Honor, Ms. Boley is on now. We're asking for that same December 15th date at 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it sounds like it's agreed. So I will continue the Boley matter to December 15th at 4. So
Great. Terrell, you can hang up now.
or she can stay on, whatever.
Or you can say you're welcome to stay on. It's public courtroom, but my
Not gonna
guess.
be that exciting, but you know.
Yeah, exactly. Your Honor, next I see Marcus Milligan on the line. And this one, it doesn't. I don't believe the city's got the documents that I have yet, so we need to continue this one as well. I think it's one we'll likely be able to resolve, but in the meantime, let's go for the December 15th at 4 o'clock.
Is it on? It's today's it's on for pretrial today?
On for an arraignment.
Okay.
He was in court. He filled out all of his paperwork, but Judge Bates had to recuse himself, so it was carried over to today.
Gotcha. Your Honor, we'd ask for waive reading of the information, ask that a not guilty plea be entered. We have no objection to the standard conditions. I will say that I've made Mr. Rhodes aware of the situation. There is a very shaky basis for the stop, and Mr. Milligan was cooperative, and he blew a .06. So I would ask for minimal release conditions, given that, and the fact he has no history.
Yes, I was going to ask. There's no. Do you know? Does anybody can help me with criminal history? I don't think I've got it here. So, anybody chime in? I didn't.
It's on the left-hand side of the file,
Okay,
the very bottom.
the very bottom. Okay, just thanks.
Yeah, I don't have anything in what I've been provided showing any history, so.
Yeah, just some kind of driving suspended third a long time ago. I can't, and it looks as that was in 03. So yeah, I would, unless I hear otherwise from the state, I think just the standard release conditions would be what I would impose. You know.
City's not requesting anything additional, Your Honor.
Okay. And we'll set that for pretrial on December 15th at 4 p.m., Mr. Milligan.
Thank you, sir.
That's all for this matter. Thanks.
Earl, you can, you're welcome to stay on. I don't know if you could hear us or not earlier. I can see you now. We couldn't see you earlier. Your case has been continued to December 15th at 4 p.m. And you're welcome to stay on, but you can also hang up and be done with us for the day.
Thank you very much. I'll put that on my calendar.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
What about the Anthony Hamilton matter?
I don't know if Anthony's present. I have frequent and regular contact with him, including a couple times this week. So here we go. It looks like he's connecting in now. Yep, there he is. You must not be working today, Anthony. No hairnet.
No, we're on a rotation right now.
Okay. Your Honor, we're asking that this matter be set over to the December 15th day.
Objection.
There was a note in the file about the no contact order. I don't know if that's something anybody wants me to look at now. Kay, do you know anything about that? It looks like Cindy's asking if a certain term in the no contact order still applies. Looks like it was highlighted to be firearms. Is there anything that needs to be addressed today that you're aware of?
Nothing that I'm aware of.
I think that the no contact order wasn't terminated. It was just set at no hostile contact.
Yeah,
So the no contact order is actually still in the system. And so since some time has gone by, she was curious if you wanted to terminate it.
yeah. I mean, I think that was my intent. That was my intent. I don't know if this order read very well, but I was substituting all terms just to say no hostile contact.
Yes.
Okay, we'll terminate it completely.
Okay.
I think under the circumstances is appropriate. He's got a big rock hanging over his head and he knows it.
All right. So December 15th at 4 p.m., Mr. Hamilton.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thanks.
And then the last one, Your Honor, is City versus Jason Schneider.
Okay. And is this also an agreed
don't know
continuance? I don't see anybody popping up here. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't have an explanation for that. I represent Jason on a district court matter, an old district court matter. I haven't ever had a problem with him getting in contact with me. I know that back in August, I have a letter from domestic violence saying that Jennifer Schneider came in and they were discussed safety planning and all that stuff with her. I just asked that his absence be noted for the record and it be set to the December 15th date. I'm not aware of anything else going on. I'm assuming there's been no new violations or anything like that.
Yeah, no objection.
Objection from the city. Okay, so I'm not gonna, I'll just set it, I'll reset it. We'll note his absence.
All right, that's all on my end.
That takes care of it. Okay, all right, guys, have a good one.
Thanks, everybody. Good to see everybody.
Thank
See you in a
you.
few months.
Mr. Campbell, I have one thing. There's a file, Brandon Peterman, that you have. It's on for arraignment because we've said it numerous times, Mr. Peterman has never appeared, but Judge Bates has recused himself. So I'm not able to issue a warrant.
Brandon Peterman. Okay, I'm sorry, that was sort of tucked in the back there. I didn't see that. I apologize.
Yeah, I'm not involved in that, am I?
No,
Okay. All right. Thanks, you guys. See y'all.
bye.
Driving suspended third. Was there notice for today's setting or is it a different? Are we
No,
just going back? Looks like the
I,
last notice in the file is June 8, 2021.
when was it?
June 8th.
I've said it numerous times.
I'm just looking at the most recent. Let me see if I'm missing them. I'm just looking at the most recent notice.
Okay,
Then there was one in April. So there's April and June. Those are the ones I see in the file.
okay. Do you want me to send another notice and set it for the December 15th?
I think that's what we should do.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
All right. Have a good one.
Bye.